Angusha yangu.
Nimeiona sijui.
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with
Winter in Africa.
sounds of
Oh my goodness. But the sun is coming out.
you there right
Very cold.
no matter where you go. My heart is yours to
So hi guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the Davielas channel, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back. So welcome to another vlog. This is spend the rainy days with me in Nairobi as a stay-at-home mom. So guys, we have already started the video and we are in the middle of the video. Guys, stay tuned, don't touch that remote, guys. The video is just getting started and it's just getting interesting, guys. So let's continue.
the fire. This life is the best.
So guys, as you can see, this is me cleaning out to start off the mornings. I love cleaning before doing anything else in the mornings because a clean space equals a clear mind and a focused mind. So guys, you cannot start your day with a dirty environment that you're staying in. So you have to really clean up so that you can really start your day on a high note with clear mind. Yeah, so guys, that is me cleaning up yesterday's dirt. As you can see, I always try to keep the space clean, even though with the kids, when they're eating what something things like cakes, you can find the crumbs everywhere. So you have to really keep on sweeping, guys. It's not easy, but I told you guys, I'm trying to enjoy the space that I am in right now. So guys, off late in Nairobi, it has been raining and raining so much. I think we are in the season of short rains, but as it seems, we are not in the short rains because the rains are coming in so hard, guys. So it's very cold, it's very chilly, as I showed you in the beginning of the video, guys. So guys, I really wanted to thank you for us. We have really grown, guys. We are currently at 927 subscribers, guys. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you for finding my channel interesting, not our channel interesting. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for liking. This gives us the motivation to continue shooting interesting videos for you guys. It gives us the challenge to continue shooting content for you guys, because we are out here sharing our lives, sharing every little moment with you guys, because you are our YouTube family and we want to take you step by step in every little detail that we want to share with you, because we cannot share everything, guys. We only share what we want you to see. And of course, guys, we are giving you the best exclusive content from the Davielas, guys. So Shani had already waken up, so I really had to keep her busy by giving her a snack because I wanted to prepare her breakfast. So I had to put Miss Rachel for her so that she can watch as I cook up breakfast for her. Guys, I am really trying to keep the pacifier off this baby. I'm hiding it. Guys, anytime she bumps into it in the drawers, she has to suck on it, but I have to take it back because I'm thinking of putting a hole on it because it's like she misses sucking the, what is it called, the pacifier. But she doesn't breastfeed, she doesn't use the pacifier because we took it out of her a long time back when she was, before she even turned a year. So she's just I think just trying to have fun with the pacifier. Yeah, I don't know. So this is me trying to give her something liquidish in the morning to try maybe and clear her. She doesn't like having something heavy in the mornings. So as a morning, I don't know, something just light. She loves something light in the morning. So this is me giving her some drinking chocolate with hot water. Then after some time at 11, probably I'm going to give her Weetabix, or no, not Weetabix, because Weetabix is for kids 3 years and older. Maybe I'll try and cook up some porridge for her or something else, because Shani doesn't love drinking milk. I don't know if it's my kid only. I don't know. Cow milk, I don't know. She doesn't love it. Maybe when it's on a cereal or something else, maybe, but not on tea. Not taking it like alone. Yeah. So the previous night I had prepared some chapatis, guys. There's someone who commented on my videos that we really love chapatis, guys. In this house we love chapatis. I don't know how we are going to try and avoid that, especially Frank is the one who is a fan of chapatis. I am not a big fan of wheat things, but when we cook it like once a week, we don't cook it like daily, because that comment came in so funny, and I saw it a bit funny because thank you for the comment, because it's not like we eat chapatis daily. There are other meals that we eat. So this is me warming up the chapati. I love mine crispy and a bit hard. I don't like soft chapatis, so I wanted to warm it up with a cup of black tea in the mornings, because it was so cold, guys. In the comment section, guys, please try and engage with me. Just if you don't have anything to type, just type a heart, just type anything, just put an emoji there, and I'll really appreciate, guys. Let's engage on the comment section. Tell me, guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, or do you prefer me talking throughout the video, like on live, not doing a voiceover. Just let me know, guys, if you are enjoying this type of content, guys. So Samara here had come out of school. It was around 4 p.m. and you can see she's there getting out of her school uniform and washing her hands so that we can have, what is it called, the 4 p.m. snack, I think so. Yeah, and the best thing, the sun had already come out. Look at that, the blue skies. I love it, guys. So I really love taking nature small videos here and there for you guys, so that you cannot enjoy just the same old boring house videos, guys. So we had to go and get black beans, guys. I have not been able to do batch cooking yet. That's why you can see me buying, because I have not been in a position to be to cook the cereals, the bunch of cereals, guys. And we headed to the market because it was on a market day in our, what is it called, in our nearest market here. So we usually head there to buy just a few things, because we only have 2 days for market days here. And there I was buying a little little things, pegs, potatoes. I didn't manage to vlog for you guys the whole thing, but majorly this is the grocery haul, the mini grocery haul. Just a bit of fruits, some sweet potatoes, some potatoes, some tomatoes, some pegs, some watermelons, just a few things here and there, because we usually do groceries like twice a week, so I don't buy a lot of things. So it's like I'm shopping like twice a week daily. It's like almost daily, so I don't really need much when I'm headed to the market, guys. Yeah. So guys, another tip I learned: try to delegate a few duties for your kids. As you can see, you cannot be able to do it all as a stay-at-home mom. This is Samara and Shani helping me out put away the groceries to where they are supposed to be. And it's a great way to be able to involve your kids in some of the household chores, yeah guys. So don't do it all. If you're a stay-at-home mom, try to engage your kids in one or two things that they can be able to do, guys. Yeah. I have also learned the 4 p.m. snack should be probably fruits. For me, this is working because I try and not give the kids a heavy 4 p.m. snack, so that they can be able to have their dinner and eat a good portion of the dinner. So this is me chopping up the mangoes. They had earlier on eaten the watermelons. Guys, the thing that makes me go to the market mostly, it's getting the fruits, because in this house I cannot survive without fruits, because this is a great snack for kids. Instead of incorporating the supermarket snacks, these are great snack for kids. Always ensure that you have fruits. These are very nutritious and a very good snack for kids. Leave alone the biscuits, the cakes, the whatnots. This, just get fruits for the kids as they wait for dinner. Yeah, this is a great way to keep them well nourished with the natural things. Yeah. Hi guys, how have you been? Myself, have been doing well. Sorry for the background noise. I think it's raining. I'm feeling so fatigued, so tired. And it's been a very cold day today, guys. So enough of me. How have you been, guys? Thank you so much for the support so far. The ones who have joined the family, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for those who are commenting. Thank you for those who are liking my videos, guys. I don't take any of you for granted, guys. I thank you so much for the support that you've continued giving me, guys. I want, by the time Frank is coming back, he's going to get a full house. tukue tumeshaja guys. We are only remaining like I don't know, it's 3 days or 4 to end of March. One of my subscribers, thank you so much for commenting. She actually she said let's get to 1000 before the end of March guys. Akinifikishieni thou. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe right now. It's free of charge. No one is charging you to subscribe. And then guys, I was thinking the first quarter of the year is here. The first quarter is already here guys. Shani wait. So guys, have you achieved any of your goals? Hata kama ni moja, have you achieved any goal? Hey, this is a time to reflect before the first quarter ishe guys. Reflect, check on yourself. Hata me, I'm checking up on myself. Nione if there's something I'm doing, hata kama I'm still not back to work. Reflect guys, check. It's good to reflect on what you might have achieved, either 1 or 2 things. The thing that matters is taking a step guys. That is the thing that really matters guys. So April ishafika, Easter holidays are here guys. I don't know what happened by the way to get together. Sijui kama familia bado zipatana, I don't know guys, but kitambo people really used to value families na hizo gatherings, especially the cousins. But now ebu jaribu fungue WhatsApp group ya makuzo, utakuwa ni wewe peke yako una type, ni wewe peke yako unaongea kwa hiyo group guys. I don't know what happened, but I really don't want telling you. I don't know what this generation, is it the millennial, the Gen Z, Gen Alpha ni akina Samara. So kama sisi sahi, we don't meet nini the families. We don't value family. Some of the generation, yani si ati me personally I don't value, but I'm saying the importance of people meeting. It's like ilisha kitambo. Nowadays kila mtu anataka kuishi maisha yake peke yake. I don't know what is happening, but Easter holidays are here. Call your families, plan a get together. Yani usikae peke yako nini. Plan a get together, get to meet with your family nini, because you never know tomorrow guys. So without talking much, let's go and cook guys.
As the sun slowly crept into the sky, it filled the morning air with warmth and life. Sounds of birds in harmony, and you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to hold. the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Cold nights with your hand in mine, all wrapped up warm, sitting by the fire. This life is the best, living wild and free, with you there right next to me. Oh, no matter where we go, oh, my heart is yours to roam. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side. Through all the storms, I'm by your side. Through days of warmth, I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky, I'm by your side.
So guys, if you have not been watching our previous videos, guys, please go on my playlist and see all the previous videos. I'm so sure, guys, you're going to enjoy all of them, guys. And that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed, guys, and see you in our next one.